Hi guys, today we're looking at the Lego set 40091. It is the turkey and it has 125 pieces. So it's a cool little build. He's very cute. His feet move. His little beak moves. His wings move. And his tail. And you can also push all these together or spread them all out. Sit like this. So, and there's the back of him. Spread the tail out a little bit like that. And then he has this little hat that's super cute. I love this. I can wear the hat. Oops. So there he is without his hat. It's a cute little turkey, fun little build. I love that the Lego store does these cute little holiday sets. They're fun to collect, and I really like the turkey. He's pretty cute. So, thanks for watching.